Let us find the value of x here. So you now change this to 1. Look at the base here. Try and make this base and base equal. So what you have here will be 1 over 2 raised power 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 62. You have 4 here, and 2 minus 3x, which should be equals to 2 power 2x. Let's continue. The reciprocal of this, so you have 2 raised power 8 minus 12x equals to 2 raised power 2x. So let us try and do away with this 1. How do you do it now? This one make it look like 2 power minus 8 minus 12x, which now equals to 2 to power 2x. So the bases are equal. So we now do away with the bases, and the powers now become the equation. So we have here minus negative 8 minus 12x equals to 2x. Let us remove the bracket here. We have negative 8 plus 12x equals to 2x. We're still making progress. So 12x, we're now trying to calculate items here. So these two come meet it here, become my negative 2x, which will equals to this 8 equals to 8. This minus this 12x minus 2x is 10x, which equals to 8. So we're looking for x. You now divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and 10 is the coefficient of x here. So we divide this by 10, this by 10. So x will be equals to 8 over 10. You can still divide further. 2 will divide 8, 4, and this one 5. So x will be equals to 4 over 5. So the value of x in this equation is 4 over 5. And that is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you do, please share my video.